Hello YouTube, welcome back to Anthony where we always have fun. Today I'm unboxing the Red Bull Meteor House Chrome Collection. 12 of the finest action sports films from around the world of Red Bull. This is the only unboxing that you will see on YouTube. I am the first one. Thank you very much. I am the first one. I hope you enjoy this. Be right back, guys. So that's the top. That's the side. There's that side. And then there's that side. Nothing there. And then this is the bottom. Let's open it up. One second. That's a little booklet telling you about the films and stuff. One second again. This is the front. This is the back. This is the spine. There's the bottom. There's the top. Okay, so this is the front of the inside insert thing. This is the spine. This is the bottom. This is the top. This is the inside. It was like one of these, the heating thing came. So there's this one. One second, guys. The front. This is the back. This is the front of this one. Is the insert for the second one. There's the other one over there. So this is gonna be like dirt biking. That one was, so you can see it's like snowmobiling and snow stuff. This one's like dirt bike and all the others. That's the inside. Thank you for watching. Please like and share.